Now we are going to solve the problem number 11 in chapter 9. What is asked? Charcoal pieces of a tree is found from an archaeological site. The carbon 14 content of this charcoal is only 17.5 percentage that of equivalent sample of carbon from a living tree. What is the age of the tree? That is the question asked. So first you should know one thing, that this problem that could be solved by two methods. So I'll teach the simplest method. First you have to write the half-life period of the carbon 14. Carbon 14's half-life period is how much? 5730 years. So this is the half-life period of the carbon 14. Initially, how much amount of carbon 14 was there? N0 must be taken as 100%. So while getting the sample of carbon 14 from that tree, what was the percentage of the carbon 14? 17.5 percentage. This much amount of charcoal is present. So in that, this is the percentage of the carbon 14 available from the charcoal piece. Now we have to use the law of radioactivity. So what is the basic formula? N is equal to N0 e power of minus lambda T is the formula. Here N is known, N0 is known. Substitute N, 17.5 is equal to 100 e power of minus lambda T can be written. So in the next step, what we have to do? 17.5 divided by 100 must be written, which is equal to e power of minus lambda T. Are you clear? And then reciprocate this. After reciprocation, that one becomes 100 divided by 17.5. This one could be written as e power of plus lambda T. Are you clear? So in that format we can write. Now we have to take log on both sides. Are you clear? Take log of E. That log of E must be written. So in bracket there you write 100 divided by 17.5 is equal to log of e power of lambda T must be written. Understood? So here the base is E, that must be converted into log to the base 10. So for that purpose what we have to do? 2.303 must be multiplied. After that log to the base 10 can be introduced. Here 100 divided by 17.5 must be written again. Okay. And then so here log of e power of lambda T, that one becomes lambda T. Are you clear? Now what is required now? That T is required. The age of the tree must be calculated. Age of the tree must be calculated. First we have to find out the value of lambda. Are you clear? How to find out the lambda value? That could be calculated separately. Are you clear? So I will explain how to calculate the lambda. Lambda is equal to, the formula is 0.6931 divided by T half. So this is the formula. Are you clear? So here this formula must be substituted. Now I will write the formula for T. So T is equal to, that is the age of the earth is equal to 2.303 into log to the base 10 100 divided by 17.5 could be written. The entire factor must be divided by lambda. Are you clear? Don't forget. So the entire factor is divided by lambda. So after substitution, the formula must be substituted. This formula must be substituted. 2.303 into log to the base 10. Okay, log to the base 10. So we know the logarithmic formulas. So here we can use the log formula. Log to the base 10, 100. So in bracket that could be written. Log to the base 10, 17.5 can be written. Are you clear? So the whole divided by, this formula must be written. 0.6931 divided by T half. Instead of writing T half, this one could be written at the top. Are you clear? So that is written at the top. Now substitute 2.303 into, already it is there in the formula. The half-life value is already given. Log to the base 10, 10 is equal to 2.000. Are you clear? So here minus 1.2430 is a log of 17.5. One more 0 must be written. Log that the t half value is already given, 5730 es whole divided by 0.6931. So we can write it like this. After calculating, we are able to get the answer. Are you clear? After substitution, what will happen? You can calculate it with the help of the calculator. Are you clear? So after subtraction, calculate, the answer will be 1.441 into 10 to the power of 4 es. So this is the age of the tree. Are you clear? So with the help of law of radioactivity, we are able to find out the answer. Subtract the value and then multiply either by log or with the help of calculator. You can calculate. The final answer will be this much. Are you clear?